everyone?
Charlie!
How's life been treating you, Charlie? Like a baby treats a diaper. Okay? Now get me a bottle, will you, Phil?
When a fella is down on his luck and he can't even find him a buck, he can loosen his load just down the road. He can go to the old Frog and Toad. When your lady is up and left you and you're down to your final tissue, don't keep trying your eyes, just loosen your tie. Have a drink at the old Frog and Toad. All the fabulous sights and the fanciful flights that are surely as sweet as can be. All the windows aglow like a lamp in the snow. All the wonderful magic to see. When you've had a few too many drinks and that heart of yours is on the blink. When you can't drive back home, there's no need to moan, for you're free at the old Frog and Toad. When you've had a few too many drinks and that heart of yours is on the blink. When you can't drive back home, there's no need to moan, for you're free at the old Frog and Toad.
Freddie, you're looking really smart. What's the occasion?
Just left the funeral of an old army buddy, Phil. Oh, I'm sorry to hear about that, old Freddie. Alright, you know. Why? Couldn't stand the guy.
Why didn't you like him?
During the Korean War, this guy got all the girls. That son of a gun.
I knew a guy like that once.
I don't know why everyone's always heard of me wherever I go, you know?
Ha ha ha! Good one, Charlie, old boy! Now, Phil, last week you promised we could have a lock-in next week.
Yeah. And it's next week. At least I think it is, you know?
And I'm all dressed up for the occasion, Phil.
Okay. But last time you guys were so loud, we nearly got caught. It's illegal to sell after hours. You guys know that. And I won't be the only ones getting fined. You guys will too.
Well, I told Charlie to behave himself, like, you know. Never listens, he.
Hey, that's not fair, Cockney Jim. You know? It's because Lord Melbury kept on laughing. Okay? 'cause Louie kept telling all those jokes. I say, they were brilliant, Louie, oh boy.
Well, Phil kept asking for more.
No. I was asking Charlie to pay his tab, and he kept on putting dollars down. Single dollar bills. So I was saying more. Oh, I still think it was a $20 bill each, you know?
If we all promise to behave ourselves, can we, Phil? Please, Louie.
Please. Oh, come on, Phil. For Cockney Jim's sake.
Cool. Why for my sake, Louie?
Let's face it, Cockney Jim. With your age, you only have a few lock-ins left.
That's right, Phil. That's right, mate. You never know, Louie. You never know. Good one, Lord Melbourne, Louie,
All right.
Come on, Louie. Give us another joke, will ya?
Ha ha ha! I don't think I can take any more. Good old Louie. Everyone, please keep the noise down. Oh, how about a Cockney song, Cockney Jim? Okay.
I'm all out of Cockney songs, like, Charlie. Hey, Louie, play us a song on your trumpet, like,
Oh, yeah.
No, not the trumpet. Why?
now that's trumpet playing. Well done, Louie.
Ha ha ha! I say.
Bloody perfect, right? Bloody perfect, Louie, right?
I loved it, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Why, Louie? Why? Oh, no one's home, okay? Good one, Charlie, old boy. Hey, no one's home. Hey.
Open up, Mr. Police.
We ain't going without a fight, Phil. So don't worry, okay?
No. Ha ha ha! Get out!
just one last tissue. Don't keep drying your eyes, just loosen your tie. Have a drink at the old frog. And talk.
Hi, officer. I am not here, okay?